an energetic protocol to assist you in using the next 6 weeks to help your body retrieve and re-nourish in the winter. We invite you, Soul Rider, to take a deep breath in to pull your energy and awareness into your divine line. We invite you, Soul Rider, at the level of your higher self, to work with your energetic fields and guides to connect with your body, divine nature, spirit, in a realm where you can, to imagine sitting across from your body. And we're actually going to adjust this depending on whether it was you, the soul, that was most tired, or your body was most tired. So just reference a dimension, a realm, just intending you, Soul Rider, and your body sitting across from each other in an appropriate realm. And then determine who is the most tired. Whoever's the most tired gets to raise their hand. It's either the Soul Rider or the body or the teams. But for now, keep it simple. Just focus on you, Soul Rider, or your body. And so whoever is the most tired, we invite you, either Soul Rider or body, to reference an appropriate dimension where you can take the form that nourishes you the most. It might be your etheric galactic form. It might be an orb of light. It might be a cheetah. It might be a river, a wolf, a hawk. And just witness yourself or the other and the other. So it's like your body's witnessing you if you're the one most tired, or you're witnessing your body and your body's witnessing itself if it's the most tired. Witness yourselves in this other dimension where you're taking the form that most re-nourishes, replenishes, re-nurtures self. And the key piece with this is using your position in the physical dimension to witness yourself into a more actualized state in another dimension. If you haven't been able to shift something in the physical dimension, you're still tired and your physical health doesn't shift, write down the sentence: I must use my position in the physical dimension to witness myself in another dimension, or my body in another dimension, in a healed, vibrant state. That's called spontaneous remission. And it's the power of witnessing ourselves in another dimension. More vibrant, more nourished. And every single day, witness yourself or your body in this other dimension, in that form that re-nourishes. All day long, you or your body are in that other dimension, re-nourishing, replenishing, reweaving, recalibrating, retrieving vitality, retrieving creative energy, retrieving drive, retrieving will, retrieving joy, retrieving freedom, retrieving safety, retrieving all resources back to self. And then allow for a gentle ripple reflection of that revitalized state to yourself here.